Today we are talking about how to be a vlogger. Starting now. Tip number 1. Move your camera whenever you're finished talking, especially when you don't have much to talk. This makes what you speak more in This make what you speak more Tip number 2. People. Don't think about people. Nobody really cares. Tip number 3. So make it feel like there is always a camera. Always a camera ready to capture your next move. Because going out of frame and coming back in for the second time, that doesn't make sense. Tip number 4. No user manual have this, but हर कैमरा में एक teleportation device होता है. Nobody's going to tell you that. I'm telling you that. This teleportation device can be activated by doing this, and there are more ways to activate the teleportation device. Like this. Hand is pretty much the easiest one, but there are more. Like this. But don't overdo it, because when you overdo it, you end up somewhere. Like you can end up in a washroom. Thank God it's not occupied. Tip number 5. Don't vlog like this. मैं ऊपर जा रहा हूँ अभी. पहुंच गए. सूरज कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. रोशनी कुछ ज़्यादा हो गई थी तो मैंने कम करी है अभी. मैं गिर जाता. But vlog like this. I'm vlogging. मेरे देश में कोई मुझे व्लॉग नहीं करने देता है. मैं देश छोड़ के बाहर जाके व्लॉग करूँगा. I'm vlogging. सीधे हो कितनी खुशी है. सूरज भी कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. I'm vlogging. चलो कुछ काम करते हैं. टिप नंबर. I've never used sound effects, but you can use them. This makes your video more interesting. So this is important. Remember, always end your vlogs at the point where do not end your vlog like, but you can still say goodbye and see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. That is the most important tip I can give you. Subscribe to my channel.